ઇફ યુ આર અ ફેન ઓફ લખનવીઝ દેન આ એક્ઝિબિશન મિસ ના કરતા, કારણ કે મેન્સ કલેક્શન, વિમેન્સ કલેક્શનમાં તો ઓફકોર્સ ફેસ્ટિવ વેર છે, રૂટીન વેર છે, સાડીઝ છે, કેઝ્યુઅલ છે, અને નોટ જસ્ટ એથનિક પણ વેસ્ટર્ન, ઇન્ડો વેસ્ટર્ન, કોટ સેટ, એ બધામાં બહુ જ વેરાયટી છે. અને જે રીતે મેં કીધું મેન્સ કલેક્શન, કિડ્સ કલેક્શન પણ છે, બોટમ્સ, દુપટ્ટા, બેઝિકલી એવરીથિંગ દેટ યુ નીડ ઇન લખનવી ઓર ચિકનકારી દે હેવ ઇટ હિયર. ક્યાં છે? બેજ ધ ગેલેરી થલતેજમાં જે છે, એમના 3 દિવસના શોમાં અવરા ધ ચિકનકારી એસેન્શિયલ ઇઝ બ્રિંગિંગ this whole range. અને બાકી ડિટેલ્સ માટે યુ કેન ચેક કેપ્શન, અને કલેક્શન જોવા માટે સ્વાઇપ લેફ્ટ.
Hi, my name is Sargam. I'm from Avra, the Chicken Curry Essentials. We are a decade-year-old brand into Lucknowi clothing, directly from Lucknow. That's our hometown. So, since this is the Rakhi edit, let me show you a few of the pieces which are really made for the festive. So, these are our Malmal semi-stitch collection, which is a 2-piece set. बाटले के साथ काम है प्लस दुपट्टा. इसमें we've got the colors also available. This is pure silk. 2 तार का सूट है ये. इस पे पूरा 2 तार का वर्क है along with very intricate जाली work. Then we've got something in total badla. If you're a fan of Mukesh and badla, then this is something that you can have in your wardrobe for the festival. Then we've got some nice casual, semi-stitch kurtas. If you do not want to get onto a very heavy range, then this is something for people who are looking for plus sizes. Then we have these semi-stitched ones. Stitched mein we've got the 3-piece sets and with pants, kurtas and dupattas. Color range is there. Lot of color options are there and different patterns are there for this. Then we've got some nice cord sets. These gowns, 1-piece gowns, which are ready to wear. Colors are available. In the western wear range, we have restocked these tunics.
On full demand.
Yeah, on special demand because people wanted these. So we've again restocked that. Then these casual nice muslin kurtas with multicolored thread work. Something what I'm wearing, this is an organza A-line kurta which gives you a very heavy look but पहनने में बिल्कुल light है. So you can club it with the pants or you want to wear it as a 1-piece, it's up to you. We've got the color available in these. Colors and sizes are available. Then these are in georgettes along with embellishments. कटदाना का वर्क है, बहुत ही बारीक काम के साथ thread work. These are the kurtas that we have. फेस्टिवल है एंड थोड़ा और अच्छा पहनना चाहते हैं देन दिस इज़ चंदेरी वेयर व्हाट वी हैव. चंदेरी में बादला वर्क के साथ हैंड क्राफ्टेड एम्ब्रॉयडरी है टोटल. दिस इज़ नॉट एट ऑल मशीन मेड गाइज, कम्प्लीटली हैंड क्राफ्टेड कुर्ताज. देन मूविंग ऑन टू द अनस्टिच्ड कलेक्शन, वी गॉट द एंटायर रेंज ऑफ अनस्टिच्ड वेयर. दिस इज़ वाइट अलॉन्ग विद द बेबी पिंक. जिसमें पूरा कटदाना एंड बारीक पर्ल्स का काम दिया है along with pink embroidery made on pure malmal. This is a 2-piece set, comes with a dupatta. Then if you want to wear without any embellishments, तो ये full जाल पे work है. You can see a multicolored thread work. इसमें भी बारीक जाली work है पूरा. And this also comes with a dupatta. This is made on pure muslin.
And we can make pants on demand.
Yeah, you can make pants on demand. Then we've got these nice onion colors जिसमें हमने जरी का काम दिया है. Zari along with pearl along with chikanकारी. This is the best fusion one can ask for. So इसमें पूरा pearl plus handwork, कटदाना. This is again a 2-piece set. We will customize the pant or a plazo or a legging, whatever you have. Our range of menswear kurtas, which are unstitched and stitched both. We've got limited range in the stitch, but unstitched we have got few pieces to show you. Color options are there. Lot of colors are there. Lemon, pinkish, sea green. I see men wearing a very different and nice combination of colors these days. They also want to experiment new. So that is how we've got the palette for them. And these are the linens and khadis, what generally people prefer wearing. Onto the sari section. Saris we've bifurcated as per work, as per the add-ons and as per the fabric. So we start with the basic कोटाज and basic cottons that we have. तो इसमें पूरा वाइट थ्रेड का काम आप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली हैंड क्राफ्टेड अगेन. फिर इसी वाइट में ही वी गो ऑन द रेंज ऑफ प्योर जॉर्जेट्स, जिसमें आपको बारीकी और दिखेगी काम में, प्लस नेट का जाली वर्क दिखेगा. देयर लॉट मोर ऑन टू द जॉर्जेट वन, क्योंकि उसमें इतनी कैपेसिटी होती है कि वो भारी वर्क को झेल सके फैब्रिक में. सो दिस इज़ ऑन ऑर्गेन्जा. वी हैव जॉर्जेट्स along with the embellishments. Organza. This is on silk. Then coming on to bridal wear, we've got some nice heavy sarees, पूरा 2 तार का, जिसमें पूरा भरा हुआ sequins and कट दाना and बहुत ही बारीक काम है इसमें. So this is the range of sarees what we have. Short section, we've got these nice skirts which you can pair up with these tops. Crop tops and skirt, they really make a very nice combination. Yeah, you can do that. These are the semi-stitched shirts that we have. We've introduced some nice colors to this one with the knot. These are the color options what we have for shirts. These are all semi-stitched. Then these are the stitched shirts in georgettes. Again, I'll show you quickly 3-4 colors in these. Okay. Then we've got a nice range in short tops, something what you are also wearing, Subi. You know, your look.
Yeah.
These are the kurtas which are again ombre shaded in pure muslin. You can pair it with pants, jeans, skirts, however you want to carry them. Then white short tops. Then we've got the regular wear, office wear, timeless whites. In whites also we've got some nice daraj work. This is called as the daraj work, what you see in chikankari. Frocks, college wear, kota pe bhi kurtas जिसमें cut work किया हुआ है. You can see from you can see a close up. I'm sure the video is not doing justice to the kind of work what the piece has onto it. So I would request you all to please visit us to feel the fabric and see the intricacy of the piece. So these are our regular wear, office wear collection, college wear. Just to add on to this, if you are ready with something and you want to add on an ethnic touch to your piece, a Lucknowi touch to your outfit, your attire, these are the ready shrugs what we have. You just have to pair them with denim, your camisoles, and you are set to go. This, and we have shrug in black color. Black and white are ready to pick up, but we can definitely customize these in colors as well, which are ready muslin kaftans. To accessorize your complete look and beautify it, we've got these nice potlis, which are again completely on georgette, along with handcrafted work and add-ons. For gifting, people who want to gift, we've got some nice pieces for gifting as well. Nice range of bottom wears as well, in which we've got straight pants, plazos with badla, without badla, black color, black on white. And these pants are also dyeable. So in case you have a piece ready with you, you're looking for a pant of a specific color in Lucknowi, you can visit us and we have the pants which we can customize as per your choice of the color. Then adding on to the bottom wear, we have add-ons as dupattas as well. इसमें भी सब फैब्रिक्स में आपको दुपट्टास मिलेंगे, नॉर्मल कॉटन से लेके शिफॉन, चंदेरी, प्योर जॉर्जेट, लाइट, हैवी, कोटाज, सब में दुपट्टास हैं विद वर्क, लेस वर्क, मोर वर्क, हैंड क्राफ्टेड लेसेस. वी गॉट सम नाइस रेंज ऑफ दुपट्टास टुडे. Then adding on to your winter collection, we've got these chikankari shawls. In case you have a holiday planned in coming winter season, you can have these in your wardrobe. These are very nice shawls with the multicolored thread work, and this is complete handcrafted again. Not to miss the little ones, we have got some nice kids pair with us today in limited sizes and colors options. So in case you're looking for one, don't miss to visit us.
એન્ડ લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ જ્યારે એમણે કિડ્સ કલેક્શન બતાવ્યું હતું ત્યારે ફર્સ્ટ ડે સ્ટોક આઉટ થઈ ગયું હતું બધું જ. સો ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ શોપ ફ્રોમ હિયર એસએપ વિઝિટ કરજો. એન્ડ સો કેન યુ ગીવ અસ ડિટેલ્સ ઓફ ધ શો?
Yeah, so we are Avra, the Chikankari Essentials. I'm Sargam, I'm co-founder of the brand. We have our permanent store in Baroda, guys. So in case you want to visit to our store, we have got the entire range there as well. Along with the add-ons, of course, the collection keeps on updating. So yes, we are here at Beige the Gallery today, tomorrow and day after. starting 11:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Do visit us.
Thank you.
Thank you.